guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial on how I got this cut crease smoky eye using mostly browns and neutral warm colors. So if you want to know how I got this, keep on watching. So I'm starting off by doing my eyebrows, which I'm going to do off camera. I just used Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in soft brown, I think, yeah. So let me do that real quick and I'll be back. Okay, but can we talk about these hair clips? I got them the other day and they've literally saved my life. It keeps my hair out my face and I love it. So anyway, the tutorial. So I just am concealing my eyelids with the L'Oreal concealer. It's pretty high coverage, so you know, it'll give you a good base. So I tried with my fingers. I'm like, wait, this is too much product, so I use a brush. Now I'm using this Morphe brush and getting a dark color and putting this in my crease in like a rounded half circle shape, kind of. So I'm not winging it out, I am rounding it out. So now I'm taking this light brown and I'm just putting it right above, and I'm kind of like tapping it in, blending it downwards into the burgundy shade we applied. So like I said, we're going to keep that rounded shape. You could wing it out, I mean, it's up to you, it's all preference, but I kind of wanted to try keeping it more rounded than a long, like winged out. Then I'm taking an even lighter tan beige color and putting that above and just going back and forth. And then I'm taking a deeper brown and putting that directly in the crease, and I'm really like pressing it in. You want to keep the darker colors closer to the actual crease and then have the lighter colors go above that and above that, and just keep it like ombre gradient. So what I'm going to do is get a wet Q-tip and kind of cut the crease. Like, we're going to fake cutting a crease right now with a wet Q-tip. And that'll just give you like a nice clean base for the concealer, because if you have like brown eyeshadow all over your lid and try to put concealer over it, it'll be all messy. So I'm applying the concealer we put on the eyelids in the beginning, and I'm just pressing that in, patting it in, and I'm keeping that rounded shape, and I'm not touching the inner corner. It's gonna go right in front of the inner corner, but I'm not dragging the concealer to my inner corner. So we're gonna do like a little half circle right under that the darkest brown. We don't want to bring it higher than the darker brown because we don't want to cover up what we just did. So yeah, just patting, and it's hard to get that perfect little half circle. It's a little hard because with brushes, you know, you can make little streaks, but it's okay, we got this. We're gonna pat in that concealer because the warmth of your finger blends out better than any brush can. So yeah, definitely utilize your fingers and press in the concealer to the browns to mix them. So now I'm going to take a warm brown and press it in the outer edge of the eye, the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep building up the colors. So I'm going to go from that lighter brown, and then I'm going to end up taking a darker brown and then a darker brown to just make another ombre effect going horizontally. So once again, I'm using my fingers to help blend in the product, because laying down eyeshadow on wet concealer can be a little intense. So yeah, just using my finger to blend that out, and then taking those darker colors and smoking out the edge, and overall give it like a more smoky look. If you don't like using so many dark colors, you can go for all lighter browns, but I decided to go big or go home for this, so you know. And I'm also going back and forth with the lighter shades and the darker shades because, you know, we want that good solid blend. And if you saw me right there, I messed up a little bit, put a little extra concealer to cover it up, and now applying glitter glue right over that concealer, same shape, same spot I put the concealer, everything's the same. And then I'm gonna take this Too Faced glitter that you can't even buy, but you can use any glitter. So yeah, I'm just applying that with my finger because the brush I had was really small. So, and then I'm going in with a detailed brush. It's a lip brush, and then I'm taking that eyeshadow brush and just blending into the glitter with the brown that I had left on the brush. And now I'm taking a black liner because I really want to make this smoky. So I'm getting the gel liner on and then applying the black eyeshadow and smoking it out a little bit. And from there, I'm going to take the darkest brown and the black and kind of just blend the outer edge. So it's going to, the black liner will basically blend into the eyeshadow, so it won't even look that harsh. Okay, so I learned this hack from Mitchell. He puts a makeup wipe over like a sharp edge. So for example, I used the glitter glue, the edge of the glitter glue, and I basically just swiped up and wiped it away, and it made a super defined edge. So let me do the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm applying a primer, and I'm going really fast with this part because it's not that important. I wanted to focus on the eyes, but I'm priming with Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I love it. Best primer, I think, that I've ever used. I notice a difference when I use it. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation, which also love. And then I'm blending it in with a Shop Miss A sponge. It's literally like $1 and it's amazing. So I highly recommend. Then I'm concealing with Maybelline Fit Me and setting my under eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder and putting that all over. And then I'm making a really ugly face for no reason. And then I'm using the bronzer from the Urban Decay palette. I think I ended up using the blush too. Don't remember. I think, yeah, I did. And then I'm baking under the contour. It's not really contour, bronzer, whatever. Then setting it further with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, I think it's called. It's really awesome. I love it. And then I'm highlighting with this Makeup Revolution palette. And I also used the Morphe setting spray to like amp up the highlighter. And I didn't show it on camera, but I actually used it to like set my whole face. And then I'm applying the lightest shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette into my inner corner and brow bone. Then I'm using this Essence eyeliner, and I'm putting that in my waterline. And then I'm applying the Essence mascara, the Lash Princess Mascara, and then applying lashes. But before I do that, I'm putting on my lip liner while the glue dries. This one is from NYX. I love their lip liners, they're great. Now I'm applying my lashes, and oop, cute, love that. And I will get to the lipstick. Give me a second, it's coming. I'm gonna be using a Rimmel lipstick. It's cute. And now I'm putting Marc Jacobs lip gloss over it. Also cute. And that's it. That's the finished look. So here's me checking myself out. I ended up setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. If I didn't, did I already say that? I think I already said that. But if I didn't, there you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Don't leave a thumbs up even if you did. I don't care. Whatever you want to do, do it. Leave a comment if you want. And hope you have a great day. Bye!